It's time to talk AirPods Pro. What's up, gang? It's Andrew here from AppleInsider, and this is my honest review of the AirPods Pro. There have been a ton of reviews already about the AirPods Pro. They've been out for a week and a half or so, and you've pretty much heard all the things that you would expect to hear from an AirPods Pro review. You're going to hear the features such as the wireless charging, active noise cancellation, transparency mode, water and sweat resistance, the new fit, the new design, the new controls with the force sensors, all of that stuff. You've heard all that. We've touched on the features in other videos, so we don't need to rehash all of that. Instead, we're just going to give you an honest review. We've been using them. This is what we encountered. This is what we've gone through using these. This is coming from a steadfast AirPods user. I love my AirPods. I've used them pretty much every day since I got them years ago. And the same has been said for the new AirPods Pro. So how has it been going? What do I like? What do I not like? What are my overall impressions? First off, going into AirPods Pro, I had two big things that I wanted to see. I wanted to see a better fit so I could actually wear these at the gym and not have any issues. I wanted to be able to have better audio quality, because as I test a lot of these headphones and then I go back to AirPods for their ease of use, but they sound like garbage. The original AirPods sound like garbage. So it was always kind of a struggle. And when AirPods Pro came out after like a year of leaks and rumors, I was thrilled. I was overjoyed. I instantly bought them without even thinking or looking through the features. I gifted my AirPods 2 with a wireless charging case to my wife, and I went with the AirPods Pro. And so far, in the past week or so of use, I love them. The fit is great. So I have issues with the headphones that go in your ear. They always seem to fall out, and that has not been the case for me with the AirPods Pro. They were great. I was able to go to the gym. My first test was I got them, I went to the gym, did an hour and a half on the elliptical on the treadmill, and then went over to the weight bench, and I had no issues with them falling out. Normally, if I'd jump around on the treadmill or lay down on the weight bench, they'd just come out of my ears, but not with the AirPods Pro. I will say that I wish there was more granular fits. I wish there was more of the silicone tips than they included. I wish there was maybe one size smaller or half sizes in between, because it really does come to the fit to make all the other features work. The other thing that I was really impressed by was the sound. Especially if the fit is good, sound is amazing. It is far better than the regular AirPods. They did a great job, definitely some substantial bass, a huge improvement over the original AirPods. The other thing that I really liked was the active noise cancellation. I wasn't even asking for that. I just wanted those better audio quality and the better fit. And active noise cancellation is great, but what's even better than that is the transparency mode. I'm using them now. It's in transparency mode, and I can hear myself. It sounds normal and natural, not overly processed and mechanical. Apple also included like a half dozen ways to switch between these modes, like holding the force sensors on the headphones themselves, using Control Center, using Siri, going into Bluetooth settings. There's so many ways to do it, so it's kind of nice at how easy it is to switch between active noise cancellation, just turning it off, or inside of transparency mode. A couple things that did knock me a little bit, other than the tip sizes. The case, I hate it. I really do. It feels the same as the standard AirPods case, but it's wide and it's kind of awkward to hold in your hand. It doesn't open as easily for me, and it's just a weird thing. Just using this every single day, it becomes kind of annoying. I definitely like to feel the size, the shape of the original AirPods case quite a bit better. So should you buy AirPods Pro? It's very specific. If you already have AirPods, it's really hard to justify. For me, I had been waiting for these two features for a long time, and because I use these every single day, I'm able to use them even more because I can wear them to the gym without having to worry about them falling out. So for me, with audio quality and fit being high priorities, this is definitely a win, let alone with active noise cancellation and transparency mode tacked on there, which just gives me extra value over my AirPods 2. So those gifted to my wife, I had no problem splurging on these new headphones. However, if you're looking at AirPods, there's only a $50 difference between the AirPods 2 with the wireless charging case and the AirPods Pro. At that point, it seems like a no-brainer to me. You get so much more here. You get so much better sound quality, the active noise cancellation, the better fit for the gym, water resistance. These are a no-brainer. If you're looking at the one with the wireless charging case for $50 difference, spring for these. It's such an easy decision. You even get a USB-C cable in the box instead of USB-A. So a lot of little touches that make these easily worth that $50 difference. But I want to hear what you guys think. So let me know on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And if you want to pick up AirPods Pro for yourself or for a gift, you can find the best deals at the links down below in the description. Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow Apple Insider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the Apple Insider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.